Everyone, this is skating on page 25 of Alfred Basic Piano 1A, and we are still in the 3/4 time signature, which is our ballet movement in the C position, and we're going to repeat this. So if you don't really understand everything on this page, kindly ask your teacher. I'm going to position my hand in the C position like this and play it. Okay, so it goes like this. Now I'm going to play it in the second time, and now it has to be, I will play it slowly. Thank you very much. That's skating.